How to enable Cash App card when disabled. First of all, what you want to do is to head over to your application Cash App and make sure you are logged in to a specific account. Once you're in here, click on this card icon at the bottom. It will land you on this interface. Here, if you have applied to your Cash card, you will see your card. You just have to tap on it and you will see Activate button. This way, your Cash App card will be enabled. Now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to Safari. In the search bar, search for Cash App support and then move into this site, Contact Cash App Customer Service. It will redirect you to this page. Now scroll down and you'll see different ways to contact. You will be able to see the number of a Cash App support. You can simply call this number and state the problem that you have been facing. Well, if not, you can also contact them through different social medias. And at the end, you can also send a mail to them. Once you have stated the problem to them, within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you. And your Cash App card will also be enabled. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to enable Cash App card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.